Hello, dear students. Hope you are doing good. So, today we are going to see some topics related with the magnetic effect of electric currents, and I am going to show you some interactive sites as well as activities in this lecture. So, first of all, you know all this stuff that how magnetic effects are there, Oersted experiment is there, then what is the behavior of the magnetic field lines. On the screen, whatever you are looking, it is one of the wonderful site. Its site name is nationalmaglab.org. It is related with just electricity and magnetism. So you can explore this site and can explore much more things about the electricity and magnetism. So what we are going to see here, there are many interactive tutorials are there. If you look into it and uh, about all this stuff, you will understand all the aspects of the magnetic effect of electric current. For example, the related to our syllabus, there are many things, then you can make some activities related with that. A few of it we are going to see. For example, DC motor, that is the part of our syllabus, the current flow, compass, capacitor and other. This part is not part of our syllabus, so you can look through, but just focus on the syllabus content, alternating current, like this stuff. So we are going to see the starting with that, the magnetic effect of electric current. When current passes through a conductor, there are effects realized, and how we can explore this effect with that some simple activity. And this activity is shown over here. There are iron fillings over a paper, and that paper card is inserted into a current carrying conductor, which is vertically shown here. From positive to negative, the current flows here. That means electrons start to flow. We are going to see the simulation of it also. And when current is turned on, look at the fillings structure, iron filling structure, it get a circular shape. So this is one of the effect of the magnetic effect of current. So as soon as the current passes through the conductor, it creates a magnetic field surrounding to it, and magnetic field is indicated with the help of this circular shape, that means the field lines. And we can identify the direction of the magnetic field with the help of right hand rule. And what this rule says, when you wrap, this is the left hand, this is the right hand. About the right hand rule, it illustrates that current carrying wire generates a magnetic field. If you point your thumb in the direction of current as shown in this figure, let your fingers assume a curl position and magnetic field circling around those wires shown in the direction in which your four fingers points. So this is the direction of the current, and this curl finger shows the direction of magnetic field. Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field direction will be the tangential to that field lines. So this is the right hand rule. There is a left hand rule which is used in the DC motor to identify the direction of the force, that we are going to also see. So this is one of the good simulation, how you can get the value, or sorry, direction of the magnetic field. So with the help of compass, in bar magnet we have also seen that if we rotate or move the compass across the bar magnet, it will show the deflection, and that deflection north point will indicate the direction of the magnetic field. So here, suppose positive to negative, the current is going from positive to negative. Actually the electrons are flowing from negative to positive, and it creates a magnetic field surrounding to it. Here is the compass. If I drag this compass, it will indicate the direction of that magnetic field at that point. Suppose means here at this point, the magnetic field direction is in this direction, that is towards the red. So as I rotate this compass, the magnetic field direction will change. So across this line, the magnetic field is there, and across the magnetic field lines, the direction of magnetic field is denoted by that part of the north part of the compass. So if I reverse the direction of the current, what actually happens? Look here, the direction of magnetic field also get reversed. And as per the right hand rule, we can judge this. If you hold the conductor in such a way that current direction is indicated by the thumb, and this curl finger will indicate the direction of magnetic field. So there is one force, and it is a very good illustration of the simple DC motor. Here is that illustration. If you switch on here, the current passes to the wire, and if you keep a magnet near to that current carrying conductor, it will exert a force. The force exerted on current carrying conductor due to the external magnetic field is called as Lorentz force. Hmm? Remember that. And how this is experiencing, here look at the field lines in the green color generated by this current carrying conductor. This is the magnetic field of current carrying conductor, and there are also external magnetic field. So there is an interaction between this external magnetic field and the magnetic field of that current carrying conductor. That interaction either may be attractive or the repulsive. Depending on it, the force will be experienced on it. So here the wire goes on that side. If I reverse the direction of current, it will go on the other side. Look, like this. So in this way, we can identify the direction of force also. If you apply the left hand rule over here, how the current is flowing, how the magnetic field is there. Magnetic field means magnetic field direction will be the north to south, which is in the left, with the help of left hand. Look at this figure. With the help of, if you have to stretch your left hand fingers, thumb, index finger and the middle finger indicating the direction of current, index finger indicating the direction of the magnetic field, and thumb indicate the direction of force or motion. So in this way, in motor you can get the direction of force, in which direction the coil will rotate. So this is a very good site. You can go on this site. I will provide the link in the Google Classroom. Enjoy this site. Have a nice day. Thank you.